Hello, everyone. Welcome back to LES, the Learn English Show.
It's great to be here again. I'm Mr. Jones.
And I'm Leslie. We are so glad you joined us today.
Yes, we are. We love helping you practice your English.
Before we begin our topic, a quick reminder.
If you enjoy our show, please click the like button.
And share this video with your friends. It helps us reach more learners.
Your support helps our channel grow. Thank you very much.
Today's topic is very practical for many of you.
We are talking about daily English phrases for work.
These are phrases you can use every day at your job.
They will help you communicate better with colleagues and bosses.
Our first phrase is for when you arrive at work.
You can say good morning or good afternoon.
It's a simple way to greet your colleagues.
You can also add, how are you today?
Or, how was your weekend?
These show you are friendly.
Our next phrase is for when you start your tasks.
You can say, I'll start working on the report now.
Oh, I'm going to check my emails first.
This tells people what you are doing.
It's helpful for your team to know.
Our third phrase is for offering help.
Can I help you with anything?
Or, do you need a hand with that?
It's a kind thing to do.
It shows you are a good team player.
Our fourth phrase is for asking for help.
It's okay to ask for help. No one knows everything.
Could you please help me with this?
Or, I'm not sure how to do this. Can you show me?
This is much better than making a mistake.
And it helps you learn new things.
Our fifth phrase is for when you need to confirm something.
To confirm means to make sure it's correct.
So just to confirm.
The meeting is at 10 a.m., right?
Or, you want me to finish this by Friday?
This avoids misunderstandings.
Our sixth phrase is for when you agree with someone.
You can say, I agree with you.
That's a good idea.
This shows you are listening and engaged.
Our seventh phrase is for when you disagree politely.
Sometimes you have a different opinion.
I see your point, but I think...
Or, I'm not sure I agree with that. What about...
It's important to be respectful, even when disagreeing.
Our eighth phrase is for suggesting something.
How about we try this?
Or, maybe we could do it this way?
This shows you are contributing ideas.
It's good to be proactive at work.
Our ninth phrase is for asking for an update.
An update is the latest information.
What's the update on the project?
Or, have you heard anything about...
This helps you stay informed.
And know how things are progressing.
Our 10th phrase is for giving an update.
You can say, the report is almost finished.
Or, I've completed task A, and now I'm starting task B.
This keeps your colleagues and boss informed.
It's important for teamwork.
Our 11th phrase is for apologizing.
If you make a mistake, it's good to say sorry.
You can say, I apologize for the delay.
Or, I'm sorry, I made a mistake.
It shows you are responsible.
And willing to fix problems.
Our 12th phrase is for thanking someone.
Thank you for your help.
Or, I appreciate your input.
Being grateful is always a good thing.
It makes people feel valued.
Our 13th phrase is for leaving work.
You can say, see you tomorrow.
Or, have a good evening.
It's a nice way to end the workday.
Our 14th phrase is for when you are going on a break.
You can say, I'm going for lunch now.
Or, I'll be back in 15 minutes.
This lets your colleagues know where you are.
It helps with coordination.
Our 15th phrase is for asking for a favor.
A favor is a small help.
You can say, could you do me a favor?
Could you print this document for me?
Remember to say please and thank you.
And be ready to return the favor.
Now, let's dive deeper into some of these phrases and scenarios.
That's a great idea, Mr. Jones. Let's imagine a workday.
So, you arrive at work. You greet your colleagues.
And then you might need to ask a question about your work.
For example, where can I find the new project files?
Or, who is responsible for the new marketing campaign?
These are common questions to help you get started.
What if you need to ask your boss a question?
You can say, excuse me, Mr. Smith, do you have a moment?
Or, may I ask you a quick question?
It's polite to ask if they are free first.
What if you're in a meeting and you want to share an idea?
You can say, I have an idea about this.
Or, what if we tried?
It's good to contribute to discussions.
And if someone else is speaking, how do you politely interrupt?
You can say, excuse me for interrupting, but
Or, may I just add something here?
always be polite when interrupting.
What if you don't understand something in a meeting?
You can say, I'm sorry, I don't quite follow.
Or, could you explain that point again?
It's important to understand everything.
Don't be afraid to ask questions.
Everyone learns in different ways.
Now, let's talk about expressing agreements or disagreements again.
It's good to show you are listening.
I completely agree.
Or you're absolutely right.
These phrases show strong support.
If you disagree, remember to be gentle.
I understand your point, but my perspective is...
Or, that's a valid point, however, I believe.
Using words like perspective or believe makes it softer.
It avoids sounding rude or confrontational.
Let's discuss giving and asking for updates again.
This is crucial for teamwork.
The project is on track.
On track means it's progressing as planned.
Or, I expect to finish by tomorrow morning.
If there's a problem, be honest.
We've encountered a small issue.
Encountered means you found a problem.
But I'm working on a solution.
This shows you are responsible and proactive.
What about asking for an update from a colleague?
You can say, how is the marketing report coming along?
Coming along means how is it progressing?
Or any news on the client's decision.
Always be polite when asking for updates.
Now, let's talk about responding to thanks.
If someone thanks you, how do you respond?
You can say, you're welcome.
No problem at all.
A friendly happy to help is also good.
These make the workplace feel positive.
What if you need to schedule a meeting?
Are you free for a meeting next Tuesday?
Or, what time works best for you?
How about 2 p.m.?
If you need to reschedule a meeting, could we reschedule our meeting?
I have a conflict at that time.
Conflict means you have another appointment.
It's always important to give a reason if you can.
What about when you are leaving for the day?
Have a great evening, everyone.
Or, see you all tomorrow.
I'm leaving a bit early today.
But I'll finish my tasks from home.
I'll be back in the office at 9 a.m. tomorrow.
Communication is key in the workplace.
It helps everyone stay on the same page.
And it reduces confusion.
Let's talk about phone calls at work.
How do you answer a work phone call?
Hello, this is Leslie from LES.
How may I help you?
Hello, this is a professional greeting.
What if you need to put someone on hold?
Please hold for a moment.
Or just one moment, please.
Always ask politely.
And what if you need to end a call?
Thank you for calling.
Have a good day.
And then, goodbye.
These small phrases make a big difference.
They help you sound confident and professional.
Even if English is not your first language.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
Try to use one new phrase each day.
Listen to how your colleagues speak.
And don't be afraid to try.
Every time you use a new phrase, you learn and grow.
These daily English phrases will become natural to you.
And you will feel much more comfortable at work.
This has been a very comprehensive look at phrases for work.
I hope our listeners found it super helpful.
Remember all the tips we discussed.
From greeting colleagues to managing meetings and phone calls.
English in the workplace is achievable.
Thank you for joining us today on LES, the Learn English Show.
Don't forget to like this video.
And share it with your friends or colleagues who are learning English.
Your support helps our channel grow.
We appreciate you so much.
We'll be back soon with another exciting and helpful topic.
Keep practicing your English every day.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.